Being enthusiastic about new or replacement glass window installation for the house or business sounds good, but you surely need to perform your exploration first. So you could make sure that you pick the right one. You at least need to know the fundamentals of windows and the number of diverse types that are available. Picking the right window for the home involves several facets. Besides the cost, you will need to make sure the window glass offers insulating material and could save you more energy. Many window glass types help prevent harmful ultraviolet rays or shield the home from the outside noise. Let me help you understand the numerous kinds of window glass that are available for the house or job. Float glass. Float glass gets its name from the procedure of forming molten glass into large, flat panels. Throughout the process, molten glass is floated on the molten tin, producing a flat sizable narrow glass panel. It's first a sheet of glass until it's trimmed, treated, improved, and put to a framework, a starting material for the window. It's cheap, colorless glass as a good starting point for that which will end up quality windows, glass panels, and doors. Safety laminated glass. It's extra strong, security-enhanced glass generated by fusing at two panes around an inner layer of PVB, polyvinyl butyl. This procedure employs a high heating and pressure mix process to produce a robust panel. For those who require glass to remain put at the framework whether it's busted, for security or safety reasons, then safety laminate glass gets the pick. After all, it has laminated glass technology that your vehicle's windshield comes with, for instance, making sure an object colliding with the glass doesn't hit the driver or spray shards of glass inside. Obscured glass. Obscured glass allow light to enter, but doesn't permit people outside to see through. They come frosted, etched, coated, or designed so you cannot look over it, and if you do it will look shadowy. It's one reason why it's the hottest kind of glass for bathroom windows, shower doors, and entrance doors. Annealed glass. The process of annealing is a slow, careful and controlled procedure for cooling a panel of float glass. The objective of this practice is to fortify the glass by cutting back on the stress caused by it by cooling it. Annealed glass isn't the perfect pick for windows since it'll render shards and large sharp bits of glass if it's broken. Tinted glass. Any glass that includes coloring. It's called tinted glass. It's sometimes made for many reasons, for example, design, aesthetics, privacy, and lowering heat from the sun. Also, protection from harmful ultraviolet rays. You usually see cars, skylights and cosmetic panels, however, you also could use it for outside windows to add more privacy to your home or office. Tempered glass. Tempered glass is annealed glass only 4x stronger. It cannot get trimmed, hence the tempering process occurs just after the annealed glass is cut and finished in the wanted size. The glass gets heated to above 1200 degrees and quickly cooled. Then to create heat-soaked tempered glass, the panes get baked at 550 degrees. The glass stays shaky, likely it's going to break. The procedure tests the glass until it's ready for real-time operations. The tempered glass that it's used by vehicles is needed so you can break out if there's an emergency. Insulated glass. Insulated glass windows are optimized for energy efficiency. Maybe 2 or 3 panes of glass with argon in the spaces between the panes. The glass panes within an insulated unit usually come tempered or laminated. An insulated glass unit also features a desiccant component, ensuring condensation will not form between the panels, and you cannot wipe off. It's terrific for exterior glass as it helps you maintain the cooling and heating prices down. Mirrored glass. A panel is given a metallic coating on one side to produce mirrored glass. This coat is sealed using an extra protective sealant, making a mirror effect. You could find mirrored glass used as decorative rolls, like on walls, doors, and furniture. Mirrored glass is pretty, but it's not for outside windows. Low-E glass. It is specially formulated to reflect radiation. The low-E coating keeps infrared beams out, while light filters through. Throughout the summer, the glass reflects the heat from your residence, and in winter, your indoor heating stays inside your home and won't escape through the windows. It reduces cooling and heating expenses. Low-E glass could be a pricey asset, however, the savings in the future will be worth every penny. Wired glass. It's not necessarily a security glass, but it's a fire-resistant glass. Hospitals, schools, and other industrial buildings use wired glass. The power of the wires assembled into the panes will support the glass in the framework if it shatters under heat such as a building fire. Also, it could withstand a burst of a firefighter's hose without blowing off shards all over. While wired glass works perfect for all industrial uses, it's not for residential homes. Heat-strengthened glass. To build heat-strengthened glass panels, the glass gets reheated above 1200 and cooled. It doesn't chill as fast as tempered glass, so it's less reliable. Heat-strengthened glass remains robust, but it might still break and shatter into sharp pieces. It's not used for outside windows until it gets laminated. So you weren't aware of the many types of glass for windows? But now you understand a little bit more about glass technology and how useful the window technology has evolved. Now you're going to have the ability to select the right one for the house or office. For instance, aesthetics, security, and energy saving. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the channel.